In question 1, we're told that 5 children have their height measured as part of a preschool health check. Stuart is taller than Ruth, who is taller than Margaret. We can write that down as an inequality. Stuart is taller than Ruth, is greater than Ruth. Who is taller than Margaret? So greater than M. We're then told that Tim is shorter than Ruth, so Ruth is greater than Tim. And taller than Adrian. So Tim is taller than Adrian, so Tim is greater than A. We're then asked to work out who must Adrian be shorter than. Now, Adrian must obviously be shorter than Ruth, because we're told as such, and Adrian must also be shorter than Stuart, because Stuart is taller than Ruth. But can we conclude anything about Margaret? Well, no, because these inequalities, R is greater than M and R is greater than T greater than A, these are unrelated. So, for example, we could conceive of a scenario where if Ruth was, say, 1.7 metres tall, and Margaret was 1.6 metres tall, Tim was 1.5 and Adrian was 1.4, in which case, sure, we could say that Adrian is shorter than Margaret, for sure. But, just as easily, just as logically, Margaret could be 1.3 metres tall, in which case Adrian would be taller. So, we cannot conclude anything about Margaret, but we can say that Adrian must be shorter than Ruth and Stuart. So, our answer is D.